Hello guys, here's a step-by-step guide on how to download your Paystub from Dayforce. Step 1, you have to sign into Dayforce. Head to your company's Dayforce portal or launch the Dayforce mobile app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then go to the Pay section. After logging in, locate the area labeled Earnings, Pay, or Payroll. This is where your pay stubs are stored. Step 3, choose the pay period. Pick the specific pay period for which you want to view or download your pay stub. Step 4, open and download your pay stub. Tap to view the pay stub details, then select View PDF or download the earnings statement. On mobile, this typically opens the PDF in your default viewer, allowing you to save or securely share the file. Step 5, keep your info private. Your pay stub includes confidential information, so avoid sharing it publicly. This guide is intended for personal use only, helping you legally and securely access your own records. Legal note and best practices: this tutorial is for educational purposes only and uses official Dayforce tools. It also follows legal guidelines. It shows no hacks, bypasses, or third-party apps involved. It's fully compliant with YouTube policies and respects the right to privacy. And that would be all for today's step-by-step guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.